Hi everybody, this is Sonia and this is Catcrazy Creations Crochet. I hope this video is finding everybody doing well and that you've had a lot of crafting time over the last couple of weeks. I think it's actually been longer than a week, or a couple of weeks. I think it's been more like 3. So I am here, I have a finish, and I have a giveaway that I want to do with you guys on this channel. So the first thing that I want to show is I was pattern testing for Melon Bee, which is Monica. I think her YouTube channel is Melon Makes, I think is what it is. So check her out on YouTube. But I did a pattern test for this shawl. And the pattern, she said, is going to be free on Ravelry. So go check her out on Ravelry as well. And on Ravelry, I don't know, she might be going under, it might be Melon Makes. Otherwise it would be Monica J, but I think it's Melon Makes on Ravelry. So anyway, it'll be a free pattern. And here's another angle of it. Now this is not big enough for me, but I wanted to do it. I used up all of the, I think it was Bernat. It's really thick, kind of nubby yarn. But I really like it. It's a dusty rose. And I really like the pattern. So here it is. And point to point, and then there's the bottom point. Very pretty design. And here it is up close. You can see the pattern. Love it. If I would have had more of this yarn, I would have made it much bigger. It is beautiful. And this is just baby yarn. Bernat baby yarn, but it's front post, back post. All the way around. Very easy pattern. I would highly recommend that you guys go check it out. I love it. Love it. So pretty. So pretty. So that's what I was working on and finished. Thank you, Monica, so much for allowing me to pattern test for you. I really enjoyed it and very nice. Okay. I am going to start working on finger knitted cookie. I haven't started yet, but it's a Vicky Howell pattern from Joanne. I'm going to be doing that, so you'll be seeing that on my next video. But right now I don't have that, but right now I want to do a giveaway. And in order to enter this giveaway, you must be 18 years of age or older. You must be a subscriber to my channel. And you must not put the word giveaway in the comments below. If you put the word giveaway in the comments below, I will delete the comment. Because this is only for subscribers. It's for you guys. So If you're interested, all you need to put down is vintage hat in the comment. I would like to crochet vintage hat. Okay? And here it is. This is the pattern that you will receive. Here is a close-up of the pattern. I have crocheted this pattern. I have little dots, but it's not going to take away from the pattern whatsoever. But if you would like this pattern, please put in the comments below, I would like to crochet the vintage hat. And then I will pick the winner on my next crochet video. Okay, so that's all I have for this time. I want to thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And until next time, everybody have a great crafty week.